Yeah, jet for the show for.
Yo, Chanane Abai no so why. Penalty near course. I was Abba.
That referee Abba.
I was there. Gonna never message Dinko.
Yeah. Quick one, Mami shall say free under 20 competition. Abu, yeah, what you? Yes, now with Jumaya. Let me descend. That's what should be now. The quality of the game that was played between Senegal and Benin, that was super. Papa. Look, the Senegal Abba competition, they've not won it, but they've been here 3 times. Oh, they are here. And so, say Wako final 3 times, but one team and Wako World Cup so 3 times, they'll be their 4th one. And Benin, from Mejeba under 20 level to compete at this level. Now, Enra Senegal, almost Fabi, papa. Look, yes, the Senegal team is solid. I mean, from midfield, defense, they have a small problem with Suleimana Bassi and Seydou Amadou. But from midfield to attack, I mean, Enra, you could see, say, Edu baby, you know. Now, Papa Diop, and Papa Diallo, the 2 wingers on the flank. Benin making sure, say, Bashiru Ativi, any Bosu Donan, 2 and 3, no. Omo make your Katisa supply, no. And so they were forced to then use the midfield. And midfield, no, so Alassane Sambuno, Juma, and Rodolfo Aloko, Domu Juma, papa. They came up again against Lamine Camara and Jaffa Diallo. And Tina game no yet ding. It was a very difficult one. That was to take a free kick. Free kick from Lamine Camara. Sambu Diallo, somebody Diallo didn't take Kokaye, and Eshe, goalkeeper Karim Razak imposed. But after that, Benin Fono decides that they will string passes together. Ibrahim Jalilu, I mean, you hold on the ball very well, and he passes with intelligence. But for width of chances, Brantier, Remilisi, say about 3 chances against Senegal. Trust me, they really struggle. But I must say, sir, Samba, our missing chance on a share goal or hit it crossbar back home and then misses the 7 minute, miss a chance, a brilliant pass. Papa Diop the man or Messi. So clearly in this particular game, you see, sir, Senegal was through, but Benin, like I don't know, project, I feel no more, but at least ultimately who signs be sir in the next 3 editions and now the next 4 or 5 editions. Benin by a force to reckon with on evidence or near display and for a bull ama Senegal. So Senegal under 20 recent time they really play very well. Technical margin of the brilliance of the players from between Senegal and Benin and shed that and this and in a game. And for me, that is worrisome for Ghana, any other West African country. Going forward, your core competition under 20 level, you better papa because quality no and first not air wide no. So see, and very narrowed, and you have to play above yourself to be able to win. And so Senegal has not qualified for the World Cup because semi-final 4 teams call World Cup 2015, 2017, 2019, and then this time around. And to consistently show say, you football no developing come. So there's 4 out of 5 World Cups they've been there. That's incredible at this level. Now, Uganda in Nigeria Fabi Papa. Almost Fabi Pa. The Ugandans play tactically very well. And they know when to switch into intelligent transition, counter attack, when to go low block. I mean, ultimately, team way, Sambi with team man, who are almost a yard pa. And now the Nigerians came into this game. Also, Nigeria has over losing only 1 game. That was a 1-0 loss to Senegal. And to come into this game, Nigeria after 2021, Oman come Mauritania, no. And this particular game was a game they needed to win to qualify for the World Cup. And then it was a serious battle. Look, and aside the goal now, Ibrahim Juma left back no Eshena goal no. We are see there nebo Mohamed Ibrahim a ball shot. Nigeria striker no ball shot. Shot no boy no. Shot no echo ball post. A ball post no na Ibrahim Juma one position no na ball no run neto. I mean it's incredible. After Ononi, I mean Apollo Cup Apollo Kapogwe, right back, and then their best centre back in the competition, centre back last boy na make out Chico Rotich, you know. Ono enra omu diagroyi. They prevented Francis Abubakar and Mohamed Ibrahim. Apart from that goal, almost prevented. They were getting the supply. They were closing down very well. And then come the second half, Uganda for look Sematimba, the defensive midfielder, and then the partner in Abrante Sirimbabazi were excellent. Almost ball Anuele Oguche ni Mohamed Aminu. I mean Mohamed Aminu. Some uniform name Abdullahi Ebem because not on Hoso. And then Alade also came for Lawal Sazi and not Omu Bobo. And they had good chances. Robert Mudishi nya chance 67 minutes, 76 minutes, left winger. Captain Ismail Mugulisi sunya chances. And now goalkeeper Chijoke Kingsley or dear Papa. He really kept them in the game. And it was but for the unfortunate goal now Ibrahim Ajuma share margins no very minimal. Once again, the quality of Uganda players G baller when they pick the ball and they're on the move. That left winger Robert Mugisha, bonus on the time I saw passing. I mean, look, Africa, we are developing some quality talent for the future. But like I said, media misro because it be much as I mean, a short ball now and a cost now a delight to watch. Now Gambia, any South Sudan be boy. Gambia coach Abdoulaye Boyan on say we first round of the group stage on CAF man the best coach of the group stage.
Yes.
Now we share Gambia and Tunisia. Gambia omo ye discipline, omo ye organized, omo ye resolute, omo ye fiscal, omo ye aggressive. Omo mbo flamboyant for the boy here for derby. Omo di baku 2 months obeti edin. O show omo ni Tunisia the same, o show omo ni Zambia. In fact, the game against Benin, coach Nyakukudo cry 10 players but still share Benin won. Arrested
10 players.
Yes.
So Benin.
Today, watch out for the quality Gambian team. Remember, next one about your Gambia Zoo project, no Musha said 3 years ago. Now, Gambia will beat South Sudan. And the idea on now, Bola Gambia bebo. Any goals. I just want people to witness quality talent at the disposal of Gambia. What do I say? It's going to be spectacular. Nyoma showcase so far. We say Omuyebi Papa. For Congo and Tunisia, the even game, any of them can win. But Congo, you're careful. The reason why Zambia qualified Tunisia 2 goals be almost share 2 set pieces. Now, and Champions League. Now Champions League now an outstanding game. Nanka we say match day 1 game with that Athletic Club of Morocco and a Vita Club of DRC Ebo. Now game where who here work pa because work omo ansha say omo first game now after FIFA World Club champion omo Echo Algeria Echo Luzutu GSK Kabili na goal Brantier Badredin Swayat head the captain head the baller and what the near risk or taking the new crabet me up after Kuchela Bulia corner no and I had the time member 87 minutes and our ultimate shares are go no. Now Wak came back on back home no. The coach decides in fact Sa had no Asenzola former team Mazebi center back commanded by no he failed to actually pick the run of Badredin and the coach decides obedience society. And those share the game, Amone, Petro Atletico, Beboya, almost Petro Atletico 1-0. Abrantier, Francisco Pedro, and Okotra Mohamed Unajam, penalty by Jabrani Shena. You realize, Osisa Amin Abdul Faf, our very experienced centre back, you know, or no, ordinary Epe Mohamed Fahini, was centre back. Then he also made change Jala Daudi Ambobi. He maintained Yaya Jabrani, the general, and the Ayman Hamoud Ebemu. Then he took off Reda Chad, and the Mohamed Unajam started that game, took out the striker Didier Zemkalez Efremu, and then the Senegalese striker Bully Sambou. And those changes no Emma no sharp. In fact, that day Balanga struggle here. Balanga, Pedro Pinto and Balanga, 2 centre back for Petro de Luanda. They almost struggle here. So work a winning by go to them. Now this is a game they need to win in order to make sure say Ombe Timia 70 position going into the next round of matches to ensure somebody are qualified to the quarterfinals of the competition. This game is a gamer. Omo Bewini. Vita Club Ankasa Oshia. They didn't start well because and Vita bought only one home game because Petro the Athletic Luanda, Anderson Cruz, and then Thiago Azulao 2 goals number share El Tiamo 2-1. Eric Kabwe share consolate for Vita no. Ama even though Oma share GS Kabele by 2-0, anya 3 points no. Now near woman say Bebioma by a difficult ground to win a game. This ground is very difficult because Omu quality side, and then the fans also support them very well, and they play better when they are playing at home. I work of Morocco. Omu the quality players to really exhibit that. In the game against Petro de Luanda, no, there were mistakes. Veran Rosan and a guy Muginga, the 2 center backs made. This particular game against WAC, Omu Timi yes that mistake. WAC Beshe is the number of goals that they should be able to prevent, because Selma and Yesa going into the next round of game, I bear the 4th matches for the way a 3rd match. First game, but I bear the 3rd match because I'm about 2 matches. This is the last game on the board. The next one say Ochinazo Alice playing Cotton Sport Garua because I'm Nyako work club on clear. And so where a gamer, I must say we are there work of Morocco who win this particular game against AS Vita.
Mate, aposo, me da se pa, mamre na me na me ona.